How to create a video in Microsoft PowerPoint. First step, you need to create a presentation, or you can use an existing presentation on your computer. Second step, save the PowerPoint file into the video file format. Choose the path you want to save your file to easily locate it. Exporting video files may take some time, depending on your presentation. Here you go, the file has been exported. Let's play and see the file we just created. Thanks for watching. Please like, share the video, and comment if you have any question.